yourself. I'm sorry I kept you waiting. Hope you didn't have to wait for too long. Nice scenery. A very beautiful place. Almost as beautiful as your lovely face.
So, why didn't you tell me all along that you love me?
Love is a feeling, an emotion so sacred, too deep in fact to just let out to the world. One has to give it time to let it grow and develop.
So, has it grown?
I think so.
Well, if you truly love me, you have to prove it now.
Oh, just say anything. Honest. Whatever.
I'd like you to leave Heaven in Africa choir for me.
Just that. I told you before, I could split the Red Sea a second time, just for your sake. I split Heaven for Africa choir for you, to be with you. Don't you think I could leave Heaven in Africa still for you? You have it. Consider it done. Really. From this moment on, I've left Heaven in Africa for you, so we can be together.
When is your next rehearsal?
Heaven in Africa. Tomorrow.
What?
Same time.
Excuse me, Jake.
Yes, Chum.
I guess you're the standing leader in the absence of Walters.
Oh, really?
Please, if he comes, just tell him I couldn't stay.
Hey, but you're just coming.
I really have to go. My mom has been on my neck. What's so funny? Anyway, I assured her it's just for the talent hunt. And once it's over, I'll be all hers.
But Walters will soon be here.
I can't stay, and I'm working with time. I really have to go. See you guys.
All right.
Excuse me.
Take care.
Chama.
What do you guys think about Christian girls dressing like that?
For me, I see everything wrong.
But me, I don't see anything wrong with her dressing.
Yeah? I see everything wrong with that. What then makes a difference between a believer and an unbeliever?
See, even the Bible says that God looks at our heart, not the outward appearance. So it depends on the motive. If you have a clear mind towards what you are wearing, I don't see anything wrong with it.
How many people actually dress like that without having an
Wait. You see, everybody, it depends on the motive. Yes, maybe because you can actually look good wear anything that is skimpy without having any ulterior motive.
But you know very well that guys are moved by sight. So you won't tell me that the way Chioma is dressed, it does not move you.
Why must it be?
Listen, there are other ways that you can dress without having to look skimpy.
Well,
Inalegu.
What is it?
Are you one?
I'm glad we're here today. And I'm very glad that we all took the right decision. As we all know, we have a concert coming up very soon. I would like to teach us very shortly. The song is titled Free at Last.
Today I found a young man who truly loves me.
Wow!
And this young man is seated right here.
Wow! And so, can the most handsome and intelligent young man?
Yeah.
Wow!
I present to you the young man who can split the Red Sea all over again, just for me. And just recently, he split the Heaven for Africa choir, just for my sake.
What? Ikuba.
That's not. Yes.
All because he wanted to protect me, the girl he claims to love, from the so-called bad guys. I spoke with one of the bad guys yesterday, Jake, and he told me he could not leave the choir for anything in the world. He said he could not betray Walters and God. And yet, this young man who has been in the choir for 5 years could just walk away from it all. And the bad news, you have all been fooled. And if you don't want to be fooled a second time, I suggest that you stand up from where you are seated and go to where Walters and the Heaven for Africa choir are rehearsing right now.
Right away.